Standard 3rd, Subject English, Topic Washday. Hello students. Before starting the poem, I would like to ask few questions. Students, what do you see in this picture? Very good. It's a sea. So students, have you visited a seashore? Yes. What is there on the seashore? Very good. There are many rocks on the seashore. Anything else? Yes, there are many trees on the seashore. Very good. You have seen the sunset. There are also waves. So students, this is the sound of waves. Students, so what is there deep inside the sea? Very good. There are fishes. There are many plants and animals in the sea. There are fishes, turtles, as you can see in the second picture, seahorse, okay, and many other small plants and beautiful animals are there in the sea. So today we are going to learn the poem Wash Day. Students, what do you mean by Wash Day? Wash day means a day on which a household clothes are washed, especially on the same day of each week. Mrs. Ocean takes in washing every day the whole year through, and she uses so much bluing that it stains the water blue. I have seen the soap suds floating when the waves were rough and high. But I never have discovered where she hangs the clothes to dry. Elizabeth F. Upson. So students, this poem is written by a well-known poet, Elizabeth F. Upson. So let's see. Mrs. Ocean takes in washing every day the whole year through. Now students, when you go out to play and your clothes are dirty, who wash your clothes? Very good, your mother washed them, right? Have you ever seen your father washing clothes? No. So the clothes are always washed by the female or mother in the house. So, students, in the similar manner, the poet Elizabeth has also addressed this ocean as Mrs. Ocean. Now, students, what is ocean? What do you mean by ocean? Ocean means a very big sea. Okay, a very big sea is called as ocean. So, the poet has addressed this ocean as Mrs. Ocean. Okay, so this is the imagination of the poet. So the poet is telling that Mrs. Ocean takes in washing. Mrs. Ocean takes the clothes for washing them every day the whole year. She is washing the clothes for whole year, and every day she wash the clothes. Okay, she do the same work for the whole year. and she uses so much bluing that it stains the water blue. Now students, the poet is telling that Mrs. Ocean, when she is washing the clothes, she adds bluing, that is blue color, to the water. Okay, students, do you all know that water don't have any color? Water is of transparent. So students, when Mrs. Ocean is washing her clothes, she adds this bluing, blue color, okay, while washing the clothes, and the water gets into blue. Okay, as you can see in the picture, the woman is adding blue color. Okay, the difficult words are bluing. Bluing means blue substance that is used in washing to make yellowing fabrics look whiter. Second one, stains. Stains means colors. I have seen the soap suds floating when the waves were rough and high. Okay students, so as I told before that this is the imagination of the poet. Okay, so now the poet is imagining that she had seen the soap suds floating. What is soap suds? As you can see in the picture, yes, this is called as soap suds. So she she is telling, the poet is telling that she had seen the soap suds floating when the waves were rough and high. As you can see behind, when the waves are coming, there's something like soap suds. So she is telling that that is nothing but that is soap suds, okay, which is floating when the waves are rough and high. The difficult word is soap suds. Foam or lather formed in soapy water. But I never have discovered where she hangs the clothes to dry. So students, the poet is telling that she have never ever discovered or seen the clothes of Mrs. Ocean are kept to dry. As you can see in the picture, there are some clothes, they are hanging. Okay, so the poet is telling she have never ever seen Mrs. Ocean keeping her clothes to dry. Now students, poet is telling that Mrs. Ocean is washing the clothes. She also uses bluing. Also the poet have seen the soap suds floating on the waves. But the poet have never ever seen where Mrs. Ocean keep these clothes or hang the clothes to dry. Students, is there any pole or tree in the ocean to hang these clothes? No, right? So the poet is having a question that where does this Mrs. Ocean hangs her clothes to dry? So students, this was the imagination of the poet. The poet is imagining that Ocean is washing the clothes. So she had addressed the ocean as Mrs. Ocean. The difficult word is discover, find unexpectedly or during a search. So students, now it's exercise time. Now let's check how much you have learned from this poem. Answer the following. First question is, what is the ocean called in this poem? What is the answer, students? Very good. The ocean is called as Mrs. Ocean in this poem. Next question is, what does Mrs. Ocean do every day? What is the answer? Very good. Mrs. Ocean takes in washing every day. Next question is, why does the seawater turns blue? Very good. Answer is, the seawater turns blue because Mrs. Ocean uses so much of bluing which stains the water blue. Next question is, what do the waves breaking on the shore look like? Very good. The answer is, the waves breaking on the shore looks like soap suds. So students, your homework is, in the puzzle given below, find 6 words from the poem. The first letter of each word is given. Next question is rhyming words. First one is high. Second one, washing. So today we have learned the poem Washday. I hope you have understood the poem. Thank you.